Voices of the Birds, a special video poetry presentation. I feel lonely in these woods, a groom without his bride. I hear the voices of the birds, chatter, chatter in the darkness, as the night gives the sun its way. My life is that of a wanderer, a shepherd without any sheep. I'm frightened by the thoughts of ghosts as they walk in the shadows of death. I sing no song other than your love. My world is empty without you. Come, rescue me from the beast. Take away the frightening dreams, for all I need is your love. Inevitably, I'll taste freedom and be scared no more. We will travel life together, singing on the lonely paths, and voices of the birds echoing in my head will be gone. And that concludes the reciting of today's poem, Voices of the Birds. This poem is about mental illness, schizophrenia to be exact, a terrible, debilitating disease which can be controlled somewhat through medications and counseling. Thank you to all my friends and awesome subscribers here on my channel. Your support each day is absolutely appreciated, and I'm overwhelmed with the love and kindness shown in the many comments I've received. If you're interested in purchasing any of my books, please check out the description and you'll find them all with links through Amazon. God bless you and yours, and I'll see you on the next special video poetry presentation. Bye now.